Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I share the latest news and reviews about drones and other gadgets. Today, I'm going to talk about the DJI Mini 4 Pro, the rumored successor to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, which is one of the best compact drones for most people. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is expected to be launched on September 25, 2023, according to a teaser posted by DJI on its official website. But before that, let's take a look at how the leaks started coming out and the hype is created for this new drone. The first hint of the DJI Mini 4 Pro came from a video published by Igor Bogdanov, a well-known leaker of drone and action camera news on X, formerly Twitter, on August 31, 2023. The video showed a drone that looked very similar to the DJI Mini 3 Pro, but with some subtle differences such as a different color scheme and a different logo on the battery. Bogdanov claimed that this was the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and that it would have omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 4K video, 48 megapixel photo, true vertical shooting, 34-minute flight time, and 20 kilometers FHD video transmission. A few days later, on September 4, 2023, Bogdanov posted another video on X showing the back of the box of the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which confirmed the specs that he had previously revealed. He also showed a picture of the front of the box, which had the name DJI Mini 4 Pro, and a slogan Mini to the max. He also compared the DJI Mini 4 Pro to the DJI Air 3 and called it an Air 3 Mini. Since then, more leaks have surfaced online showing various marketing images and promotional materials of the DJI Mini 4 Pro. For example, on September 21, 2023, Roland Quant, another reliable source of tech leaks, shared over a dozen official images of the DJI Mini 4 Pro in different settings and angles. Some of these images also showed the new RC2 controller that would come with the drone, as well as the optional cellular dongle that would enable remote identification for drones weighing more than 250 grams in some regions. The leaks have generated a lot of excitement and anticipation among drone enthusiasts and fans of DJI products. Many people are wondering what new features and improvements the DJI Mini 4 Pro will bring to the table and how it will compare to its predecessor and its competitors. Some people are also curious about the price and availability of the drone and whether it will be worth upgrading or buying. Well, we don't have to wait much longer to find out. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is set to be officially unveiled on September 25, 2023 at 9 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time or 2 p.m. BST or 11 p.m. AEST. You can watch the live stream on DJI's website or on their YouTube channel. I will also be covering the event and giving you my first impressions and analysis of the drone as soon as possible. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss anything. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about the DJI Mini 4 Pro and whether you are planning to get one or not. Also, if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to let me know. I always appreciate your feedback and support. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.